Robinson unboxing, where myself, my husband, my 2 children unbox mystery boxes, subscription boxes, pretty much anything. So today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I have the ColourCurate by So Susan Cosmetics versus Ipsy. Now this is the glam bag, so it's the smaller of the two. There's only a couple dollars difference between them. So we're going to dive in and kind of see what's worthwhile and which one I prefer, and we'll give her a shot. So I'm going to start with Ipsy. As always, it comes in like the pink bubble wrap bag. Okay. So, first it comes in the little purple fuzzy pouch with the green. So it is really soft. I'm sure my daughter's going to steal it from me. So, inside we have the year of you, January 2023, and it gives me an idea of what's all in this and how much everything's worth. So we can see. This one is $13.95 plus another $2 handling fee. So I'm going to go in order. So first, we have the Jojoba Serum Sheet Mask. So this is a full-size product, and it's $8. So that's our first. Our second, we got a half cake blender brush. It's number 808. A nice pink color, and that's what it looks like. And it's also the full size, and it's also $8. Okay, and next we have, I'm going to say this wrong, it's Oriza Color Constellation Shimmer Palette. I think that's what it's called. Just going to give it a quick open so we can see what it looks like inside. So this is what it's going to look like inside. It's a pretty simple case. So I'm just going to do some swatches on the back of my hand. And that's what they're going to look like. So they're nice, not in your face, more neutral colors. And that is a full-size one as well. Wow, lots of full-size today. And that's $20. So we got 3 out of 5. Our next, we have the Milani Cosmetics Anti-Gravity Mascara in Intense Black. So it's going to look like this, the packaging. We'll just open it up so you can see the wand. Alright. And this is what the wand looks like. And this is also a full size, and it retails for $12. Now our last is Pharmacy Whipped Green Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. It is 50 mils or 1.7 ounces, and this is a deluxe sample, so a little bit bigger than the regular samples, and it's $28. So, I mean, this is the only sample, and it's a huge sample. And normally, Ipsy Glam bag is mostly all samples with maybe 1 or 2 full size. But, like, I mean, almost all these are full size today. So, I mean, for $13.95, great deal for this one. So, this is going to be hard to compete. So, we're just going to dive into the So Susan, which is also called ColourCurate. I get it from Crate Joy. And it's $20.95. So it's a little bit more money. So, I mean, we'll see. It does have less product. So, it has 4 instead of 5. So, I mean, it's a little bit comparable. Like, they're both, you know, $20 and with the handling on the Ipsy is $16. So, I mean, there's not a lot of difference price-wise. They both come in little bags. I mean, they're pretty similar. So, there is no card to tell me how much anything in this one is to see. I mean, they could be giving you stuff on sale or whatever. You don't really know, right? So, it is nice when you get the cards from, you know, Ipsy and BoxyCharm, and some of those other ones do it as well. So it's always nice to, I mean, know. So I'm going to open the first one. It's a Trifle Cosmetics Cloudburst Silky Blush Palette. And this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to do some swatches on my arm, just so you can see the different shades. There is a mirror that comes with it, which is really nice. So those are the 3 different shades of blush that come with it. So that one's really nice. So next we have Trifle Cosmetics. I mean, it says raccoon on it, so I guess that's the name of it. Not exactly sure what it is. Oh, lip parfait. And that is the color. It is super pink. I'm going to do a little swatch on my hand. Oh, it is very, very pigmented. And it's like a deep pink. Mix between bubblegum and hot pink. Somewhere around there. So I will try and pull this off. I generally can't get away with too much pink. But I'll always try. So that's item number 2. Item number 3 is Jelly Bomb Cosmetic Luna Light Liquid Luminizer. Now, I did get an email about this, that they were out of what I was supposed to get. So this is a substitution. And I mean, it is super small. So, I mean, I can't say for sure whether it's a sample size. I want to say it's a sample size. But sometimes these things come in small packages. So, I'm going to try it. I'm going to open it up before I try and undo it. And we'll just put some on and see what it's like. So it's going to be right here. So it's like a light pink, like a shimmery. Obviously, it's illuminator. So we got that. And then for our 4th item, it is going to be Nebula Intensely Foiled Spongy Eyeshadow. Cute packaging. I'm wondering if this is just one color. Because, I mean, it's pretty small. And this is what it looks like. It's a cruelty-free, which is always a bonus. So, I'm just going to swatch. Definitely like a goldy bronze shimmer. So that one's nice too. So, and then you get the bag as well. So, between the 2, I think they're both decent. I mean, you're looking at 20 bucks and under. So, I mean, you can't expect too much, but I think, I think Ipsy did a really good job with the glam bag this month. Because, I mean, almost all mine were full size. And for 14 bucks, I mean, great deal. Great. So this month, it was my first month doing the So Susan Cosmetics ColourCurate. So I loved what they had. I mean, the Pick lipstick, I'm not really going to wear because, I mean, I'm not really into pink, and like I still have it on here, and it's been on there for 20 minutes, half an hour now at this point. And it doesn't stay put. It's not a great formula as far as I'm concerned. And I really wish that I didn't get the substitution. And I don't mind that they substitute and they let me know for sure, but I really wish that I would have got like a full bag of what they had originally intended to put in it to see what everyone else got. And I mean, I'm not sure if this is a better product, worse product, whatever than it was supposed to be. I mean, like, this is my first month, so it's hard to tell, you know, is it worth 20 bucks? Probably. It did take a little while to get here, as most of my boxes do, because, like I said, I am here in Canada. So, I mean, I'm also paying more for shipping, so I want it to, you know, work out a little bit in my favor with a little bit better products. But we'll see next month. So in the meantime, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you got instead of this. Yeah, just subscribe to the page. Let me know if you're liking the content, and I'll bring more videos as soon as possible. Bye, guys.